Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you. In today's video of QuickBooks training, I don't actually want to talk to you about QuickBooks. I needed to add somebody as a view-only user to my PayPal account, and I thought, my goodness, why don't I record a video and show you how to add a user to your PayPal account? I already have this step-by-step instructions, so the video is just going to be walking through the instructions, just in case you're more of a video person and less of a reading person. So we're going to go ahead and go to PayPal. Okay, so when we're in PayPal, we're going to click on our name in the upper right-hand corner, and then we'll go down to Account Settings. On the left-hand side, I've got Account Access. And then kind of over to the right, kind of in the middle, I have Manage Users. I'm going to select Update. In the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to add a user. I'm going to add myself as a user, just for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to say Rachel plus test at gentlefrog.com. It says it doesn't match. I'm like, well, of course it doesn't match. I haven't finished typing yet. Gentlefrog.com. Enter a valid email. Okay, it doesn't like that at all. Let's go training at gentlefrog.com. Training at gentlefrog.com. This is the tricky part. You need to create a user ID and you need to make sure the person knows what the user ID is. So we're going to say GF training, and then I'm just going to skip the rest of this. I'll select next, and then I can choose what permission level they have. I don't need them to be able to add money or to authorize or to cancel. I would like them to be able to customize reports. None of this, none of this. Create manual reference transactions. I don't think so. No sending payouts, no postage, no, don't do anything with the money. Just have reports. See balance, that'd be great. Customer list. I don't know if they need it or not, so let's go ahead and add it. Virtual transfer marketing. See activity. So I think that's good. It might turn out that my make-believe user training at Gentle Frog needs more information, but for now, I think this will be plenty to get us started. So I'm going to click on continue. It says you've added, we've sent an invitation. Fantastic. Let's click done. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The email training at Gentle Frog, it goes to my email, so I've just logged into it so that I can show you. This is what the recipient will get. So I've added somebody to my PayPal account. I've set up the parameters and restrictions for what they can see and do. And this is what they receive, and then they can follow the prompts to set up their profile. Thank you so much for watching this video. If there's anything that I can answer for you or any videos you'd like to see, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you'd like custom training, myself and my team would be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much and have a great day.